In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can change who sees your future post on Facebook. So it's very easy to do this, very simple. Just watch the video all the way through to understand the step process. Now, first and foremost, you're going to want to head over to the bottom right hand corner and click on the menu option. Now here you're going to be on this page, it's the menu. Go over to settings and privacy and click settings. Now here you're going to want to scroll down until you get to the part that says post. Now all you got to go ahead and do under audience visibility is click the post option, and then here you could see the who can see your future post option. You could toggle it to your friends, public, or specific friends, or you could just hide your post at all times, keeping it private only for yourself. So that's how you go ahead and do it. That's how you can change who can see your post on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if this did help you. If it didn't, tell me why it did not help you. But other than that, I'll see you all for the next